How to add a mask in Figma. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add a mask perfect for cropping images into custom shapes. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on your device. After that, click on search bar and open Figma app. Now open an existing file or create a new one. Then add the image or element you want to crop onto your canvas. Then place the shape you want to use as a mask on top of it. This could be a circle, rectangle, or any custom shape. Here I have attached my image. After that, click on this shaping tool from the toolbar and place it on top of your image. Make sure the masking shape is above the image in the layers panel. Masks only work if the shape is the topmost layer in the group. Now select both shape and the image. Now right click and choose use as mask, or simply press Ctrl plus Alt plus M. We can now double click to adjust the position of the image inside the mask. And that's it. This is how you add a mask in Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.